Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Malay Mehta. I'm a cosmetic dermatologist and a hair transplant surgeon. Today we have a case who has done the surgery 7 days back, and this was done with Sapphire FUE. First of all, I would like to thank you for allowing us to take this video. We did evaluate his case, as his profession is such that he wanted to have a hairline which is pretty accurate as per his age, and that he comes often on TV, so he wants to ensure that his face looks as presentable as possible. So we decided to do a Sapphire FUE. Close to 3,500 to 4,000 grafts were extracted over the period of 2 days, and then we have implanted it. So I want to show them how refined a work should be. I want to show them how implantation should be done on the frontal area, the temple triangle area, and the healing of the donor area. So I think we will be focusing about the hairline and the healing of the donor area. Mamta, if you can come on the frontal area. So when it comes to implantation, we talk about two things. So first of all is the direction of the hair at particular area, and secondly the exit angle of the hair. So this hair is existing hair, and this is implanted hair. So you can know that how nicely this and this is merging together without giving away any signs that he has done the surgery. So if this is not done properly, what happens? The implanted hair will grow this way and the existing hair will grow this way. So it is important to understand the angle at which hair is exiting. So the frontal area, first 1.5 finger or maybe 3 centimeter is done from this to this area. If you can see that the temple triangle area, the temple triangle has been created with hair flow is going inferior and downwards. So this has also been done nicely. If you can show them this angle. So when he fully regrows his hair, the proper direction of the hair will be noticed, and you will be able to appreciate that he looks as natural as possible. If we can show them the donor area. Right now I think every patient who comes for the consultation, they ask only two things. What's the price of the surgery, and will it be some sort of scar at the back of the head? But if the punch size is good and minimal, the skill set of a doctor is pretty good, you can see absolutely there is no scar on day 7. If you can show them, this is the area, and we have implanted close to 1,000 graft or 800 graft here, and maybe 2,500 to 2,700 graft on the front area. So you can see that crown area also looks pretty undetectable, and the front area and the triangle area also looks pretty undetectable. We want to give them the little idea about the temple triangle, flow of the hair, how zigzag has been created. So throughout he did pretty well, spraying the normal saline for first 7 days, taking care of the donor area, cleaning the donor area. So we are very glad that he is allowing us to take video, and if you want to share any of your experience, so you can say how was your experience, pain during the surgery, after the surgery.
Yeah, I was basically concerned over my hairline because I was going through that preemptive baldness.
Yeah,
what
yes,
he said.
Androgenetic alopecia.
Yeah, so he knows the exact medical term for it. So I was very concerned, and I was looking for reviews from Google, and one of my friends also told me that go to him, he's good. But I was still very skeptical, I was not very sure. So I just asked him, and he was very informative. Number one, Dr. Malay, I'll tell you, very informative.
Thank you.
And all the claims, all the things what he actually claims to do it, he actually has done it in the surgery. So he's very honest and very decent job. Thank you, Dr. Malay.
Thank you.
I'm very happy with the surgery, and let's see how hair grows, but it looks fine to me. And yes, I'm very happy, a happy customer.
Thank you so much. So I think we'll keep updating about the case maybe 3 months, 6 months down the line. Once we get the full result, I'll like to update about it on various social media. Let's see. Thanks a lot once again, Dr. Malay Mehta signing off.